Today we're giving the Subaru Forister a bit of TLC. True Mighty Car Mods fashion, we're going to jack up your car. Just looking for the major cross members underneath the car. What do we got? Something that's nice and warm, so that'll be good. Usually you don't have full access down here. Let's just say here's something we prepared earlier. Or the lad hit a kangaroo and took out half the plastic, so we'll be replacing that. But that looked like we'll try the same as, we'll try a 14-15 mil spanner. Socket. Wheel socket. 15. I reckon that'll be it. We'll risk it, shall we? I reckon I don't even need the extension for that. That'll be nice. Let's see what we can do. Stay. Yep, nice. Okay. Okay. Oh no. You bigger. What was that? 15? Oh. There you go. Oh, it made me a liar out of me. It looks like the right size filter too from what I grabbed, which is good. That's the one. Yeah. That's the one. Make sure it's undo. Oh wow. Someone's had some fun. Oh, here we go. Yeah, let me just grab it. Grab a cloth, a rag, because, you know, nothing worse than when she finally goes everywhere and you don't have a rag to capture it all. Yep, I feel it's got gaskets in. Binding a little bit there. It's alright, we've got it now. Here she goes. Nice. Oh. Man, there's a fat looking nut. Oh. That is flowing nicely. We're going to have a quick look and see if we can find another crush washer for this. I tend to buy them in like giant packs where you get everything. They end up looking like this. So if you all stay there, let's have a look. It's quite a fat looking bolt. Too big. Got copper. Yeah, there's the one. So I'll use, I've got a copper one this time around. I'll do that. And I reckon I will need to replace that because this one, you can see it's actually got like it's been disformed here. It's quite, you see the whole thing is sort of bent. As it was done up, it's done its job and it's crushed into the space. But yeah, well, yeah. New washer, which would be good. It's a good kit, this thing. It's one of those things I probably should have bought 100 years ago. Maybe not that long, but anyway. So we'll open up, find the filter. Oh, that was actually a fluke, but there it is. That's good. So we'll grab that. Grab. Yeah. Oh, come on. Top to make sure the gasket's not on there. No, it's not, which is good. Yeah, beautiful. Because my hands are super slippery. Because this fitted on really well on this one. Look at that. That's how you want it. That's perfect. I'll give that a quick wipe. Excellent. I jumped. I did jump. Service refill capacity 4 litres. I don't reckon we took 4 litres out of that. But it's okay. We'll put 4 litres back in. The inside of this engine base is covered in dust. I honestly don't get it. I don't get how this can be so dusty up here. Especially when we actually had that one super clean at one point. So anyway, here's what it is. Let's clean this bit up. Just cleaning up the oil filter. I'm not putting dust in there. I want that to be nice. Yep, that's good. So we're using a 1040, a little bit heavier weight than yeah, simply because look at the opening on that thing. Yikes. It's an older engine. It's done lots of Ks. That's here we go. Rags. It is what it is. Yep. All good. So that's yeah. I'm going to give this, like I said, I really want to give it a bit of a clean because this is filthy. So we'll do that. What I might do though is I'll make it a bit easier on myself. Yeah, this is like a windscreen washer concentrate thing, which kind of just helps. That's the end of it. Cleans the bugs off your windows and all that sort of stuff. Look, that's a oh, we should start it up, shouldn't we? Make sure it runs. Make sure it's not pouring oil out the bottom, because that'd be bad. So let's do that. Sounding good, as it should. We're not raining oil. Got a few drops underneath from when we drained it. That happens. We'll clean that up. We've got degreaser and we'll clean up the whole area. But yeah. Anyway, there you go. That's an oil change on a 2000 model Subaru Forister, and yeah, ripper little car, this thing. So anyway, good to look after him, give him a bit of an oil change and all that sort of stuff. So yeah, anyway, we'll let that warm up and keep checking that she's not dripping. Right. won't drip, she'll be fine. Haven't done anything to make it drip, but which is good. So anyway, thank you for watching. We'll catch you next time on Tim's Garage.